a song I wrote with a friend of mine back in 1971, and we're still playing it. It's called A Medicine Show. On our way we are to go, by chance to meet a medicine show. I sit engrossed by things I see, by things you do and things to be. And oh, I do believe love is pure and death is sure. What I still cannot believe, the medicine shows want to leave. We finally get there, as it were, when on comes tiredness, excitement's cure. What I miss doesn't bother me, 'cause what I don't is enough to see. And oh, I do believe love is pure and death is sure. What I still cannot believe, the medicine shows want to leave. Finally still 100%. Doc Jeff's elixir cost you 49 cents. What it cures no one can tell, but what it don't would fill a well. No, I do believe love is pure and death is sure. But what I still cannot believe, the medicine shows want to leave. What I still cannot believe, the medicine show is want to leave.